In this video, we can learn conversion of basic temperature unit from degree Celsius to Fahrenheit and from degree Fahrenheit to degree Celsius. So to find Fahrenheit, and if you have given degree Celsius, then formula is Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 multiply C plus 32. And to find degree Celsius, if you have given Fahrenheit value, then formula is Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 1.8. Let's suppose we have a value of degree Celsius 10 degree Celsius. Then how can we find Fahrenheit? So by formula, Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 multiply 10 plus 32. So the answer is degree Fahrenheit is equal to 18. 1.8 multiply 10 is equal to 18 plus 32. So the answer is 50 Fahrenheit. Okay, now if we have another value, let's suppose we have a degree Celsius, she is 28 degree. So how can we find Fahrenheit? So Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 multiply 28 plus 32 plus 32. So the answer is Fahrenheit is equal to 1.8 multiplied 28 is equal to 50.4 plus 32. So the answer is Fahrenheit is 82.4 Fahrenheit. 82.4 Fahrenheit. Now if we have given a value of Fahrenheit and now we can find degree Celsius. So how can we find? Let's suppose we have a value of Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit value is 20 degree. Now to find degree Celsius, 20 minus 32 divided by 1.8. So the answer is 20 minus 32 is equal to minus 12 divided by 1.8. So the answer is minus 6.6 Fahrenheit. Another example, if we have a value, let's suppose we have a value of Fahrenheit is 50. And now we convert into degree Celsius. How? So degree Celsius is equal to 50 minus 32 divided by 1.8, which is degree Celsius is equal to 10 degree. 10 degree Celsius. So in this way we can convert Fahrenheit to degree Celsius and degree Celsius to Fahrenheit.